In this video, you know that what is Vander Waal force, example and types of Vander Waal force. Today we will discuss very important topic Vander Waal force. So let's get started. Chapter name: Molecular property and weak chemical force. What is Vander Waal force? The weak force of attraction between two molecules is known as Vander Waal force. जो वीक फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होता है दो मॉलिक्यूल के बीच में, उसी को हम कहते हैं वंडर वाल फोर्स. फर्स्टली आई टीच यू वंडर वाल फोर्सेस. यू नो दैट व्हाट इज वंडर वाल फोर्स. द वीक फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन टू मॉलिक्यूल इज नोन एज वंडर वाल फोर्स, जैसा कि आप जान चुके हैं. वेल, कंसिडर ऑक्सीजन एटम. वी नो दैट द बैलेंस शेल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एटम इज 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन and its need 2 more electron to complete octet rule and get stable. Now consider one another oxygen atom. We also know that there are 6 electron present in last cell of oxygen atom. It's also need 2 more electron to complete its octet rule and get stability. Now these both oxygen atoms share 2 electrons to each other and form a single molecule of oxygen gas, and single molecule oxygen form double covalent bond. Here let me ask you, what are holding of oxygen? You see that double covalent bond. What are holding together these two atoms of oxygen? Answer is simple. The double covalent bond is holding these two atoms of oxygen. Thus remember, the chemical bond like covalent bond holds atom together. We can see that this is only one molecule of oxygen gas. Let's consider 10 molecule of oxygen gas. Let's consider 10 gas of oxygen. If I ask you what are holding together 10 molecule of oxygen gas? Well, answer is simple. Van der Waals force hold these 10 molecules together. Let me repeat it. Van der Waals force hold these 10 molecules together. You noted down Van der Waals force are also known as internal molecular force. Those remember that chemical bond like covalent bond hold atom together, while Van der Waals hold molecular together. So let's note it down these all important point. Take a screenshot soon. Now let me teach you some bonus question. Consider a cylinder filled with carbon dioxide gas. Let me ask you, what are holding together carbon dioxide gas together? Question repeat. What are holding atom of carbon dioxide gas together? Well, answer is simple. Chemical bond like covalent bond hold the atom of carbon dioxide together. Second, how two molecules of CO2 are joined together? Well, answer is simple. Van der Waals forces join two molecules of carbon dioxide gas together. So this is the fundamental concept any chemical bond and Van der Waals forces. Also let me teach you types of Van der Waals force. There are 3 types of Van der Waals forces: dipole force, hydrogen bond and London dispersion force. First type of Van der Waals force, dipole force. A dipole force is exists between molecule of hydrogen fluoride. Second type of Van der Waals forces is hydrogen bond. For example, hydrogen bond exists the molecular force of water. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड जो है वो एग्जिस्ट करता है वाटर बॉन्ड में, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स में. थर्ड टाइप ऑफ वंडर वाल फोर्स, लंडन डिस्पर्सन फोर्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, लंडन डिस्पर्सन फोर्स द molecules of chlorine. If you are not like this section, please like and subscribe. We will meet next video. Take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.